All of us, after a long day of work, we deserve to go home in a peaceful and comfortable manner. But let me share to you what actually happened. Earlier, while I was about to get myself a cab going home. Hi guys, so right now I'm in MOA and I'm so frustrated. It's so hard to get a cab. I just got ignored so many times right now. Actually, there's so much cabs here but they're all rejecting us kasi meron silang sariling ruta. Pero kasi, you know, it's a job. They should be able to serve us. Instead of using the meter, they will just give you a certain price. What is the use of their meter? I'm doing this vlog to actually show awareness to the government and to all the people that this problem is actually still happening here. Filipinos are known to be very hospitable, but it doesn't really show in this case. We don't want to destroy the image of Filipinos just because of one failed cab ride. Together, let us protect the name of our beloved country because you know that it's more fun in the Philippines.